quite a debacle today. I was lucky to just sneak off the side of the road as soon as this happened. I had no warning. My wheel came off. All of my wheel studs are broken, except for the one. This truck has got, well, I don't know what this is. Fuck now. I guess this wheel got damaged, or this tire got damaged pretty bad. 4 essentially brand new tires on this truck. And when they put new tires, they're tubeless, your car and truck tires. So when they put new tires on, since it's going to be 10 or 15,000 miles, and for some things several years, they put a new valve stem in all of the wheels. Normally, well, the first time I had the tires put on the truck, I came out a couple days later and had a flat up here because they hadn't put new valve stems in, and it had cracked at the base and was leaking, so I had to pull it over like that to keep it shut and keep from leaking. So I went through a pair of holes and around with Gorilla Tape with some tension on that, and that actually did several hundred miles without an issue before I could get it crept into the shop again and have them break down the tire enough to put a valve stem on all 4. And then a couple weeks later, today, I guess my lug nuts were never tightened, and so they just worked loose. I got a little wobble, and shortly thereafter, my tire went rolling through here and came around to rest there, and my brake drum went down the road, and thankfully there was no oncoming traffic. It was just rolling. It rolled all the way down and past all these cars for sale and hopped into the lawn and rolled into the what do you want to call that, fucking hedgerow over there, basically. So just wanted to take note of this. I was on my way for a used washer and dryer to finish up apartment number 4, but and I was just enjoying all the money I've sunk into this truck. It's running along smooth, interior's nice, no issue going an hour and a half away, but obviously I spoke too soon or thought that too soon. Anyway, I called the shop. I got a tow truck coming. I called the shop that did this work up by where I live, and he said, really sorry, you know, get the bill from everything that happens here and bring that in with you ASAP, and we'll see what we can do about it. So hopefully it has a happy ending, but it is going to put me out for a couple hours today. All right, we'll see you.